Welcome, in front of me is an ASUS ROG Phone 2, and today I'll show you how to enable and set up the Do Not Disturb mode. So to get started, let's pull down the notification panel and find the toggle for Do Not Disturb, which looks like it's on the second page right over here. And before you tap on it to enable it, you want to hold it, and this will take us to the settings where we can customize how it works. So we have exceptions for calls. So we have allow calls, don't allow any calls. You can change it to from favorites, contacts, or anyone. So choose whichever one you want. And then you also have allow repeated callers. So if you enable this and someone calls you twice within a 15-minute or 3-minute period right here, no matter what the setting above is, so even though no one should be able to reach me, if they call twice within a 3-minute period, they will actually be able to reach me by the second call, which is really good option for emergency situations where people usually call more than twice within a really short time. Then we have messages, same options right here. Choose whichever one you want. Contacts, favorite, anyone, no one. And then we can leave here. And then we have see all exceptions, which gives you more options for notifications like media sounds, touch sounds, alarms and stuff like that. So you can disable the ones that you don't want, enable the ones that you want. Then below that we have default duration. This is when you tap on the button right over here. Is it because see default duration, there we go. You can set it to ask every time, and now if I choose to tap on it, we'll bring up that window, and from here I have two options, either until I turn it off myself, so I'll have to tap on it again, or I can set it for an hour or longer depending how long I want it. So this is the manual approach to it. But you can also do a schedule by tapping right here, and for instance tapping on new one. Let's go with time, name it whatever you want, and we have days of the week, so you can choose whichever days of the week you want. Deselect the ones that you don't want. Tap on done, then start time. So choose what time the Do Not Disturb mode will start. So we can, for instance, set it from 9 to 5 as a work one, just as an example. And then alarms can override end time, a completely personal option if you want this. And then Do Not Disturb mode behavior, use the default settings. On here we can also create separate behaviors for schedules. So for instance, you can change messages and calls settings, so if someone can call you, for instance, right now it's said that no one can call you in a way, along with that 3-minute period time being checked on. And in here we could set it to be different. As you can see, we can set different option. For instance, anybody can call me, and it will be now completely different than what it is on the default one. So I'm gonna stick with the default one, and once everything is set, go back and it's automatically turned on, as you can see. And once the time and day of the week will approach that it's set to, it will turn on automatically, and then once the time approaches, it will then turn off on its own again. So that is how you would set it up, enable, disable it, and if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.